In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Yoast SEO plugin. In order to do that, you first need to head over to Yoast SEO by going to yoast.com. You should be able to see right here this. So from this page, you can head over and then get their premium plan, or you can also download the free version and install it directly into your actual WordPress. You also get your SEO directly right here, but as you can see, it requires a plan upgrade and also it requires a plan for itself, which pays around $10 per month. Now, on there, in order to add your plugin, you need to first log in or create an account. Once you have done that, head over next and I have here this article. Adding keywords and meta description to your site helps Google rank your website better. In that way, your website will rank higher and it will be discovered more. So by adding those keywords for the actual options that you have searched for, you allow those people to easily find you more. Now, you can also get right here some meta descriptions and the likes. So the keywords right here is needed. You need to sign up first for WordPress hosting, download the Yoast plugin directly, then configure your plugin right here onto your Yoast. So from in there, you can head over and then edit it, whether your website has already been published or under construction first. Now to add it, what you can do is you can just head over and then go to the focus key phrase section then is this enables you to comprehensively scan your post content to give you a content score. It looks just like this. So here we have a focus key phrase. You can preview its mobile or desktop result and also add right here the title and the meta description. You can insert variables right here in order to actually make this better as well. So from there, you can actually see the analysis result for your actual keywords. You can see if they're good, if they're green, and red if they're not. So that's all there is to gain. I hope this video helped you out.